Building a desktop app has never been this easy. First up, we're going to be using something called the electronJS. Obviously, we're going to be installing it globally, and for this you need npm, the node package manager, and the node.js itself. Next up, we create a directory where we want to save the project and install all the required files over there. As you can see, with npm init command, we initiated the project right in that folder and just gave our description, author name, the scripts that we need, and every other dependencies that needs to go there will be set up automatically for you. If you need to change any configuration, you could do it as your free will. Once that's done, it's time to create HTML, JavaScript, and the CSS files. Yes, we're going to be using the web technology to build a desktop application. This is why it's never been this easy. With this method, you're going to be building applications for Linux, macOS, and Windows subsystems as well. So once you're happy with the changes that you make, just hit the deploy command that's given specifically to the electronJS command list. You're finally good to go with a desktop application, as you can see. Make your changes as you like, use all the web technologies that you could possibly use, and you should have a really good desktop application deployed right in front of you. That's it for now. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to watch more, and thanks for watching.